Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 Google Chrome extensions with ChatGPT that are going to significantly boost your productivity. So right before we get into it, if you guys could like the video for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing and commenting down below, that would be greatly appreciated. So let's get right into it. The first Google Chrome extension I'm going to be talking about today is WebChatGPT. So ChatGPT has limited knowledge after 2021. So when I asked it what was CPI print on January 12th, 2022, I meant to even say 2023, but it told me that it doesn't have the data and this is where I should go to find it. When you enable this Google Chrome extension, you'll see this come up on ChatGPT. You can allow it to search the web, pick the amount of results, pick a time frame and even a region. So I picked one result, used any time, and I went ahead and asked ChatGPT the same prompt. What was CPI print on January 12th, 2023? And it pulled data from bls.gov/CPI, and it told me seasonally adjusted and rose 6.5% over the last 12 months. So this is going to be really great for any knowledge or data that you're going to be wanting on current events. This is going to be something that I recommend using. So let's get right into the next one. The next one I'm going to be talking about is ChatGPT for Google. So normally we come to Google with a lot of questions, right? So one of them might be, what are some good ways to make money online? Then you have to kind of sift through these different articles or find videos, right? That's why ChatGPT is so great. It auto-generates a chatbot response for you. And what ChatGPT for Google does is it generates that ChatGPT response right here on Google for you, so you don't even have to leave Google. So it talks about here's a few ways to make money online, freelancing, selling products, investing. See, I get my answer right here and I don't have to go sift through all these articles. So that's definitely something that is going to be super useful and going to make you a lot more productive. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is Luna. So what Luna allows you to do is send things to the ChatGPT website that are highlighted. So in this example, I pulled up Investopedia. What is a stock split? Because a lot of people don't know what a stock split is. And let's say there was something in there that you didn't understand. A term like, let's say, market capitalization. And you wanted to go ahead and send that to OpenAI, you can right click and send this to OpenAI, and that's going to send this directly to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is increasing in volume, so they have too many requests right now, so it's not going to show this request, but normally that would work. And then the final thing that's also going to be a little bit affected by their volume, but I do want to talk about this, is going to be the summarize. So the summarize is going to be a tool that uses GPT-3 to go ahead and fully summarize an article. So nowadays, most people don't like reading or they don't have time to really read a full article. And I thought with MLK Day passing recently, this would be an article that'd be appropriate to summarize. So when you click on summarize, it'll go ahead and auto-generate a ChatGPT response, and it'll summarize the whole article for you. It'll tell you if it's fact, if it's opinion, and it'll give you a bunch of bullet points. So this is a great way to summarize and kind of skim through articles a lot faster and find the most important things. So definitely consider using these ChatGPT Chrome extensions. I'll leave links below for all 4 of them. It's not going to generate this response right now just because they're experiencing some high volume, but definitely check out these extensions below. And if you guys want any more content like this, let me know in the comments below on what type of content you guys want to see. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks again.